Jackie says, looking to get into lead gen and build out some websites to rank and monetize, but not sure where to start. We'll be getting shields and syndication rings and all, but as far as directing the calls, would you recommend just pointing to a random local state business first until the site starts to rank and then approaching the business to buy leads? No, I mean, I think I understand what you're saying. So you're saying like, as far as directing the calls. Okay. Directing calls. Okay. So you build your own asset and then you can start to get calls. Jackie, I would recommend that you really check out the MPP Rank and Rent Masterclass link that we just dropped here. So semanticmastery.com/MPP, which is Mike Martin's magic page plugin. You'll go to a webinar. It's an auto webinar. Watch the webinar. At the end, he's going to give you an offer to purchase the Magic Page plugin, which is a kind of a mass page builder type site. If you do end up, and I'll get to why in a minute, but if you do end up buying that, then make sure you contact support through our link. Then if you buy it through our link, contact support@semanticmastery.com and tell them you bought it. Send your proof of purchase, and then tell them you want to be added to the Build with Bradley group, where that is specifically what we're doing is building with mass page type sites. I'm using the Magic Page plugin for lead gen and for building lead gen assets that both on the organic side as well as can also be used to help rank GMB stuff. So I'm doing it specifically for both reasons. One, to help rank existing GMBs, but also to start targeting more organic stuff too on a larger scale, right? On a mass scale. So I would encourage you to check that out. Number one, because this is precisely kind of what you said you want to get in the lead gen business. It's a perfect product for that. But number two, you'll also get to join, if you buy that through our link, you'll get to join the Build with Bradley group, where you can meet with me once every 2 weeks. The webinars are going to be between 60 to 90 minutes long, and it's a meeting, not a webinar. It's an actual Zoom meeting. So you get to ask questions, turn your camera on. It's a peer group, an accountability group. So it's me as well as other members. Some of the other members have already been building sites, so they have more experience than I do. We are all going to learn from each other. Okay. And I think it's going to be an invaluable group for anybody that is interested at all in any of this kind of stuff. It's a very inexpensive product to purchase to be able to get access to a group like what I'm describing, because again, this is truly a learning experience where we can all share what works and what, and how to get better at this together. Okay. But getting back to this, what would you do? By the way, part of the Magic Page plugin, I think the funnel, I haven't been through that funnel because I have the plugin, so I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that Lead Simplify is part of that. We've done a promotion for Lead Simplify. I use which is also Mike Martin's product. It's great. I use it in my own business, and I have been since I think September or so of last year. So I've been using it for almost a year. And the reason I started telling you all of this, Jackie, is because Lead Simplify is very inexpensive, but it is a great tool because it basically is a lead management and distribution application that will give you a custom form builder that you can embed in websites, that when somebody fills out the form, so like a lead was, for an estimate request or whatever type of business you're going to be generating leads for, when they fill out the form, it automatically goes into the Lead Simplify dashboard, and it will distribute the lead to, lead buyers that you have in the system that are, when the lead meets their criteria, they will get notified that the lead is available. Then they can purchase the lead, and it's a credit-based system. So they go in, they log, like if you set up a lead buyer account for a particular lead buyer, then they get an SMS and or an email notification that a new lead that meets their criteria is available. And then they log into the dashboard and they can see the redacted lead information. And if they decide they want to purchase it, they click purchase, and it deducts credits from however many credits they have as a balance in their account. And they purchase credits. You can do it via PayPal as well as Stripe. So like I use it in my tree service lead gen business. And so what I do is I sell credits at $10 a piece, and it costs 3 credits to purchase a tree service lead. So if somebody buys 10 credits, it's $100. And, they get essentially 3 leads out of that because it's 3, like I said, it's 3 credits per lead. And then they have 1 credit left over. But if they buy 50 credits, they get a 5% discount. If they buy 100 credits, they get a 10% discount. So in other words, if they buy 100 credits, it's $900, but that ends up being the way it works out is, I think it's, yes, $27 per lead at that point, because it's a 10% discount, if that makes sense. But they have what's called an auto prospector system that's built right into it, which is why I started telling you this. I think if you're going to be doing lead gen, period, you should have Lead Simplify. It just makes everything so much easier to manage. I didn't have it until September or so of last year, and I don't know how I ran my business without it. It's definitely something that's very, very important in my lead gen business now. But they have what's called an auto prospector service in there too, which is kind of cool. If you don't have any lead buyers yet, the system can actually go pull in contractors that within, like a 10-mile radius of your target area, wherever you're generating leads. And it can set up whenever a lead comes in where it will automatically send a SMS notification to all the contractors on the prospect list and tell them, hey, I got a lead, go check it out. And it sends them back to where they can register for a test account or a trial account in Lead Simplify. And then, you can send them a free lead, or I do 5 free leads on the trial account. And then at the end, when I get notification that the 5th lead has been delivered to one of my prospective lead buyers, then I just pick up the phone and call them. And I say, hey, listen, I've sent you 5 leads now. Did you make any money? If so, why not invest some of that money in purchasing more lead credits? You just got free money. So why not invest in getting more leads, which are going to be more jobs and that kind of stuff. And I think it's just a great system. So I would encourage you to check that out. And by the way, like I said, if you go through the Magic Page plugin, or you purchase that through us and you end up with Lead Simplify, and you want to find out more about how to integrate Lead Simplify and kind of the systems that I've set up for that, that's stuff that we can cover in the Build with Bradley group. Or if you join the mastermind, I talk about that stuff in there as well. Okay. So hopefully that answers your question. It's a great service though, guys.